So you have 20 slides, and you can use those however you like. The question I often get is, I've got a long format project, like a long comic or a book or a series of zines. How do I best represent that in those 20 slides? Well, there's probably a lot of ways you could do it, but one good idea might be to take 2 or 3 slides to represent a longer form project. On the first slide, maybe take a shot of the whole project sort of on the desk so we can see the cover and sort of what the physicality of it is. On the next slide, you could gang up a whole bunch of spreads together so we can see a group of spreads, so we can see the look of the interior of the book. And then maybe a third spread shows us a detail page, or maybe 2 if it's a very long project. Again, that's not a requirement, but it is a way to kind of maximize those 20 slides that you have while also representing a longer, more substantial project in the best way possible.